Hello, YubTub. I'm Isaac, Adam's brother, and I wanted to show him how to do one of these reviews about his survival kit without sounding like a robot, so here I go. To start off, we have the actual water bottle to hold everything in and to drink out of and fill with water and stuff, and gear. And we have the lid for it. We also have a mini Sawyer water filter and the squeezing pouch so that you can fill this with any water and then just clip this on like that and then just drink out of it. We have a gallon bag to fill with water or gear. We have a green light because why not? Well, it's just a light, but when I realized it was green, I was obsessed. A bamboo spork thing that's like kind of a spork but kind of not. I don't know. What even is this? A pack towel with, it could be like a bandana or a sling or something like that. A small sheep's worth of cotton. I mean, I know it's from plants, but this is pretty much just a small sheep that died and gave us its life. A knife, a very old, awesome knife that has like a knife, a bottle opener, a can opener. Some Neosporin or triple antibiotic. 2 cotton swabs. Some tape that could be used for anything. Some sandpaper that can be used for almost anything. A signal mirror. A magnesium bar and ferrocerium rod with a striker and a grinder for the magnesium so you can scrape it off. 3 sterile alcohol prep pads. A few feet of duct tape. A candle. A trash bag so you can so you can use it like a tarp pretty much. 2 big Band-Aids. 2 medium Band-Aids. And 1 small Band-Aid. About 10 feet of nylon rope. A lot of matches. And a flashlight. And don't want to shine in my brother's eyes. A laser. And that's the survival kit. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and see you next time. Well, maybe not me, but my brother.